Monica,
What?
play this game on the computer. I want you to beat my high score. Okay, click that button right there. It says play mates. And push play. Okay, so what you do, there's a dot. You have to try to get it to that goal, but you can't touch the outside. This is easy. It's like I'm a first grade or something. Okay. Wait, so this is gonna pop out. No, there's not. Just yeah, no, you're gonna trick me. It's not. Okay. How many levels? There's 5. 5. That was easy. What are you talking about? Something's gonna pop out. It's not. Just go. Okay. Come on, there's 5 levels. You're only on level 2. Something's gonna pop out. There's not. Just go. You're gonna do tricking? No, it's nothing. Same forever. What'd you get? Did you get a score or something? Yeah, I got 620. I could beat. Try to beat that. Okay. Oh my gosh. So these are pop. There's nothing gonna pop out. Just go. You have to look closely and concentrate. I'm trying.